How to show a video preview on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show video preview on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and now click this 3 points here to go to settings, and now click this one, meeting. And now all you need to do is just find this one, show video preview, and click on it. If you want to turn it off, and as you see, show video preview has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it, and that's how many show video preview on Zoom mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.